new school year is like hitting the reset button. Whether you're excited, nervous, or somewhere in between, this is the perfect time to prepare yourself so you can start feeling confident instead of overwhelmed. In today's video, I'm sharing a complete back to school guide that will help you get your life together before classes begin. These are simple but effective habits that can make a huge difference throughout the school year. So grab your notebook, your favorite drink, and let's get started. Set goals, both academic and personal. Before buying cute stationery or planning your outfits, take a few minutes to think about what you actually want from this school year. A lot of us start the year saying, I just want better grades, but that's a little too vague. Instead, try setting goals that are specific and measurable. For example, score above 90% in math. Submit every assignment before the deadline. Study for at least 1 hour after school. Ask at least one question in class every week. But don't stop there. School isn't only about grades. Think about your personal growth too. Maybe you want to become more confident, stop procrastinating, read more books, join a new club, make new friends, improve your communication skills, spend less time scrolling on your phone. When you write your goals down, they stop being just wishes and become something you're actively working toward. One thing that really helps is choosing one main goal for each month instead of trying to improve everything at once. Small, consistent progress is much easier to maintain than trying to change your entire life in a single week. Clean out everything. Now it's time for a fresh start. Take a look around your room. Chances are there are clothes on the chair, random papers on your desk, old notebooks under your bed, and a backpack that's still hiding snack wrappers from last semester. We've all been there. Spend a day cleaning your room, your desk, your backpack, your pencil case, and even your school shoes. Empty every pocket. Throw away dried out pens, broken pencils, old receipts, wrappers, unnecessary papers, and anything you haven't touched in months. Wash your backpack if it needs it. Wipe down your desk, clean your water bottle, and organize your shelves. It might seem like a small thing, but walking into a clean, organized room makes studying feel so much less stressful. Your environment has a huge impact on your mindset. When your space feels chaotic, your brain often feels the same way. Think of it as making room for a fresh start. Do a digital declutter. Your phone and laptop deserve a reset too. Delete old screenshots you'll never look at again. Remove duplicate photos. Clear your downloads folder. Delete apps you haven't opened in months. Organize your school documents into folders so everything is easy to find when classes begin. While you're at it, turn off notifications from apps that constantly distract you. You can even unfollow accounts that make you compare yourself to others or waste hours scrolling. Imagine opening your phone and actually finding what you need within seconds instead of searching through thousands of random screenshots. A clean digital space creates a much calmer mind. Go back to school shopping. Let's be honest, this is everyone's favorite part. Buying new notebooks, colorful pens, highlighters, and fresh school supplies somehow makes us feel like this is finally going to be our year. But before you start filling your cart, make a list. Check what you already have first. Maybe your old calculator still works perfectly, or you still have half a pack of sticky notes from last year. Only replace what actually needs replacing. For stationery, consider notebooks, pens, highlighters, sticky notes, folders, planner, calculator, pencil pouch. For clothes, focus on pieces that are comfortable and versatile. Remember, you don't need an entirely new wardrobe to have a fresh start. And don't feel pressured by social media to buy everything that's trending. The most expensive stationery won't improve your grades, but supplies that you genuinely enjoy using can definitely make studying a little more fun. Declutter your old books and notes. Before piling new books onto your shelf, make space for them. Go through your old notebooks, worksheets, printed assignments, and folders. you'll probably find pages you completely forgot about. Separate everything into 3 piles: keep, donate, recycle. Keep notes that might help in future subjects or entrance exams. If there are pages you know you'll never use again, don't be afraid to let them go. You can even scan your important notes and save them digitally so you always have access to them without filling up your room. Starting the year with organized materials saves so much time later when you're searching for something important. Future you will definitely thank you. Fix your sleep schedule. If you've been sleeping at 2 or 3 a.m. every night during vacation, this is your sign to start changing that. Don't wait until the night before school starts. Your body needs time to adjust. Start sleeping 15 to 30 minutes earlier every night. Wake up earlier too, even if you don't have school yet. Try avoiding screens before bed. Dim your lights and avoid caffeine late in the evening. A good night's sleep improves your concentration, memory, mood, and energy levels. Pulling all-nighters might seem productive, but consistently getting enough sleep will help you perform much better in the long run. Your morning becomes so much easier when you're not running on 3 hours of sleep. Adopt a planning system. One of the biggest reasons students fall behind isn't because they're lazy, it's because they forget things. Assignments, quizzes, project deadlines, presentations, they all start piling up before you even realize it. That's why having a planning system is so important. You can use a physical planner, Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Notion, Todoist, even a simple notebook. Write down homework, assignment deadlines, exam dates, club activities, personal goals. Then spend just 5 minutes every evening checking what you need to do the next day. That small habit can save you from so much last-minute stress. Remember, the best planner isn't the prettiest one. It's the one you actually use consistently. One last thing before we end this video. Please don't compare your beginning to someone else's highlight reel. Social media often makes it seem like everyone already has their life perfectly together. The truth is, most people are figuring things out as they go. You don't have to become the perfect student overnight. Focus on becoming just 1% better every day. Those tiny improvements may not seem like much today, but by the end of the school year, they'll add up to something incredible. Progress will always matter more than perfection.